Welcome back to the official PDFelement YouTube channel. I'm George. With tax season upon us, today's video is going to be super helpful for those of you who need to submit tax forms. If you don't have a PC at home, no worries. We're here to guide you on how to fill out and sign tax PDF forms directly on your iPhone. To fill in and sign those tax forms, the first thing we need is a PDF app. Head over to the App Store, simply search for PDFelement and hit that download button. Alternatively, you can find a quick download link conveniently placed in the description box of this video. Once the app is downloaded, it's time to locate those essential tax forms. The government updates official forms annually on their website. Simply navigate to irs.gov and head to the Find Forms and Instructions section. There, you'll discover a comprehensive list of tax forms, each accompanied by a brief explanation, all neatly organized in PDF format. If you're working on Form 1040, locate and click it. You'll notice a share icon. Click on it to transfer the file directly to PDFelement. Go to the toolbox, choose the Fill and Sign mode, and the form will highlight all of the fillable boxes. The initial section of the form pertains to basic information about yourself regarding the income, tax, and credits, as well as the payment section. The official provides a very detailed instruction file. You can read and fill them out by following the instructions. The form is nearly complete. After verifying that all entered information is accurate, proceed to sign the form at the designated Sign Here section. Select the Signature tool. If you haven't saved any signatures in the app, click the Create button to open the signature window. You have three options for creating a signature: draw, upload an image, or use the camera. For demonstration, I will draw my name. Additionally, you can customize the font color and font weight. Once you are satisfied, it's time to add the signature to the form. I also need to include the signed date. However, the date box is not fillable. In such instances, we can transition to the Edit PDF mode and utilize the Add Text function to input the signed date. Ensure you don't overlook the requirement to attach the requested forms. In this case, I need to include the W-2 form. Locate the Organize icon at the top, click it, choose the Add function, and simply drag the W-2 page to the desired position. With the finished form, you can choose to print it out. Go to the Print section to choose the printer and set the options. Alternatively, you can share the signed form digitally. There are three options: share by link, share by mail, or share the file. However, since the form contains sensitive information, for security reasons, I would add a password to encrypt it. The Set Password function can also be found in the More Tools section. Edit the password to ensure that only the intended recipients can read and check the form. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, I'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll continue bringing you many more videos with tips and tricks to make your work easier. If you want to know more tips for the tax season, please check the recommended video. You can also take a look at the rest of the videos on this channel. There you will find many more videos just like this one. Have a great day and see you next time.